All right, so this is a signature detail. What we're going to do with this, obviously, very first we're going to get set up. Then we're going to start taking everything off of the boat. The signature detail gets all the compartments cleaned, so everything's going to be pulled out of that. The vinyl is going to get cleaned and conditioned, so any of the vinyl seats that come off the boat, and I might go out of screen here for a second, but I'm just grabbing some of the seats off the bow. Any of the vinyl that can come off, it makes sense to just take it off of the boat. Much easier to work on the dock or whatever your workspace is to, get mold and crap like that off of the vinyl. We're also going to go through all the compartments and take out any personal belongings, any trash. We've done it for pretty much all the compartments already. Got a few more pieces of trash and personal belongings. So that's all going to be taken off of the boat so that you can get cranking. The next thing that we'll do is we'll start the wash process. And on all details, your first thing to be washed is going to be this bump rail. The reason for that is this often holds mold and dirt and catches all kinds of things. So by spraying it first, it allows time for that to drip out, drip down before you clean the exterior. So the first thing we'll do is we'll pressure wash this whole bump rail. We'll move around the boat, and then we'll climb up into the boat and we'll do the T-top. We'll start basically where we ended on the bump rail, and we'll work our way back around the boat. The whole goal with doing a boat is to be efficient. If you can process around and back around, you can do a marine detail very, very quickly and efficiently, and it'll turn out fantastic. So bump rail, then the T-top, and we're going to wash that down till we get to the gunwale, which is this piece here. Again, all these descriptions are in the training manual. We're going to get to this portion, and that means that now we can be working on the interior without getting the exterior dirty, because everything up here is down, this is clean, this is clean, so we're working on the interior. If you have two setups, so multiple teams, two wash setups, one person can be working in here, the other can be working out here at this point. For Kyle and I today, what we're going to do is that first process, and then we're going to dive onto the interior. We're going to wash starting at the front, and we're going to wash back. That's the bow, wash back, wash the center console, the captain's seats. We're going to be working on rinsing out any of the compartments and get everything moving to the back of the boat where your drains are, where the water outlets are. Once we've done that, then we can work on the exterior. Now, with this being a signature, we are going to be doing some gel coat work. We're going to be using a high-speed polisher and a wool pad. That can get dust and microfiber pieces up into the boat, which is why we won't do our final wipe on the interior. We'll do the wash, and then we'll complete the exterior. Then we'll do our final wipe. We'll condition the vinyl. We'll do the windows, wax the interior, and we're done. That is our process. This, again, is a signature detail that we're doing. The wash process is going to be the same on all basic standard signature details. The only difference, again, is that compartments getting into the compartments. Stay tuned.